Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to check your specs on your computer. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, go to your settings. And go to System. Now scroll down and find the About option. Now you will see the different specifications of your computer. Another thing is you can search for system information and just click that. Now this will give you much more information about your laptop or your computer. Now you can check also this hardware, components, and software. Now also you can go back to your settings and go to system. Now scroll for storage and you will see about your storage, and once you click this show more categories, now this will gives you much more information about your storage. Now you can also search for command prompt and just enter this one. This system info.exe. Now it will give you a lot of information about your device. Now you can also search for task manager and you will see the status of your device and the performance and a lot of more options here, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.